Hi everyone, today I show you about how to reset passwords on iPhone with 3utools programs. First, turn off your iPhone. Hold volume down and put in charger port. We need iPhone to recovery mode. Warning, you sure your iPhone not has been iCloud? Click on Go, Flash. We need to download firmware, but now download already, so I click on Flash. Waiting few minutes. iPhone remove passwords already. Let's activate iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe for more videos.